Hi, this is Spencer Colgan again from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper, and I have two 6-foot long tables that are joined together, okay? I need 115 inches long of wallpaper, and if the cameraman just comes around the other side, I want to show you what I'm trying to give you a tip on today. All right, you're gonna glue your grass cloth. You can't get glue on the face side of the grass cloth, okay? Very important that you don't do it. So you have to watch where your roller is going. Sorry if you can't hear me that well. You gotta watch the roller, making sure that you don't get glue on the table and that it doesn't get on the face of your wallpaper, okay? So watch what I'm doing. I start in the middle, right? Okay? Now, my wallpaper is 36 inches wide, okay? I start in the middle. My wallpaper comes past the edge of the table, okay? When I glue it. Why is that? I don't want it getting onto the face of the wallpaper. And so, I'm doing the edges with what's called a dry roller. Now, you know it's not dry, but you know what I mean. It doesn't have a lot of glue on it. I'm holding it down, and I'm moving quickly because I don't want it drying on me. And I'm making sure that my wallpaper is not moving because I don't want glue getting onto the face of it. So I keep my eye on it, making sure that it hasn't moved. Okay? Because if you're hanging a beautiful grass cloth, I want it to be beautiful. And I don't want it getting messed up on you. Now, if you tend to perspire, which I do, make sure that your perspiration doesn't fall onto the grass cloth, because I can tell you right now, it'll turn a big white stain because there's salt in your perspiration. Just so you know, I share it with you because, let's just say I saw it happen. And we're going to do a grass cloth failure for you right on video and show you what happens to grass cloth if you should happen to mistakenly get it wet. So we're going to take a piece of scrap of this manila hemp, very fine wall covering, very expensive. Okay, so now I'm sure that I haven't gotten it onto the table. I'm almost done gluing the length of it, almost. And look what I do. I have a markation line by pencil. That's how I know where to stop. Okay. We're under the gun here, that's why I'm kind of trying to rush. All right. People want their room back. All right, so, again, I'm pulling it toward the edge. Why don't you show them the edge, what I'm talking about, so that they know where they should glue there. You see, it's hanging over the edge, so there's no chance of that edge getting glue on, okay? Okay, so, and it's very important that you hold it down. So, I'm going to kick the glue over here. Now, I'm going to move the wall covering back because I need that overlapped edge again. I need that effect going on, okay? So I'm simply going to move this back and do the same exact thing, folks. It's really simple. Don't get intimidated because your wallpaper cost $5,000 or something. You can do this. You just have to be careful and use the experienced advice that we give you. This way, you'll know what you're doing, and you won't make the mistakes that all of us have made. Okay? Any wallpaper installer, no matter how good he or she has been, has made his share of mistakes. Okay? And so we share it with you so that you learn how to do it properly. Notice how I'm holding it down, okay? I don't want it to move, because if it moves, there's a chance it might get glue on it, all right? You just keep going with that. You want to spread that glue around. You don't want it too thick, like I have it there. No way. You want to move that glue. Okay. And what are we doing? We're wetting the fibers of the wall covering so that the backing gets saturated with the glue. And what does that do? It expands. The fibers fill up with fluid. Like anything else, it expands, right? But it doesn't expand lengthwise. It expands widthwise. If you leave it glued too long, it'll expand this way on you. And if you have a matching pattern, which we don't here, it won't match up. Whoa, just made a boo-boo. So I gotta lift my sheet. Okay. That's why you always gotta be watching, making sure that you don't wet the wrong side of the wallpaper. There you got it, I'm almost done here. Okay. So, any questions? Leave a question in the comments section. I answer them usually within 48 hours. Click on like, please, and subscribe to my channel. This way, you help me with my online presence, all right? So, I'm going to sign off here. This is Spencer Colgan. Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. If you need wallpaper like this beautiful Grasscloth or any other, contact wallpaperboulevard.com. See you on the next one, okay? Thanks for